Today, I will explain some of the most acceptable methods to earn online through short job sites like Swagbucks. Let's begin. If you're short on time yet need to generate money, small chores like viewing videos, reading emails, or doing surveys might help. Swagbucks is an excellent place to start, but there are others. What exactly is Swagbucks? Swagbucks is a website that pays users with gift cards and cash for performing everyday online tasks. You may earn points by completing tasks such as surveys, attempting offers, or playing games, and you can also earn cash back by buying at your favorite merchants. Earn points for completing tasks and exchanging them for a gift card or cash at a retailer. You'll get a $10 bonus when you sign up for the first time. You'll also receive a $25 gift card for every 2,500 Swagbucks you buy. Top 10 Swagbucks alternatives that pay. Swagbucks offers several quick and exciting methods to earn money. While this site is popular, there are other options you might explore. You don't have to do anything else if you stick to one reward site. Number 1. Fusion Cash. If you're seeking a Swagbucks alternative, Fusion Cash could be for you. Users may receive $5 just simply signing up. In addition, the site will compensate you for doing surveys, viewing films, playing games, and other activities. You will receive $1 for each person you recommend to Fusion Cash and $5 for each cash out. You must have a minimum balance of $25 and at least 15 non-referral earnings on the site to redeem your profits with Fusion Cash. Number 2. YSENSE. YSENSE is an online community that provides a variety of flexible income opportunities. Aside from doing online surveys, you may make money with YSENSE by testing out new offers and performing brief activities. You will get compensated for testing new items and services that you may have already tried. Signing up for websites, watching movies, or installing a new app are all examples. To make money, you must follow the particular instructions and all of the safe and genuine options. Number 3. MyPoints. MyPoints allow you to earn points for purchases at online retailers. We purchase online the majority of the time. Therefore, MyPoints will provide you with more money for your purchase than any other website. Members may earn up to 40% back on purchases at over 2,000 significant stores, including Walmart, Best Buy, Home Depot, and Amazon. Sign up for MyPoints and utilize their shopping links when you're ready to explore or buy. When you sign in when purchasing, you will be awarded cash back for your purchase. In addition, MyPoints members will be able to participate in online surveys for big brands and merchants. Number 4. Branded Surveys. Branded Surveys is affiliated with some of the industry's major research businesses. You will sign up for sponsored surveys, create your profile, and earn points that can be used to purchase gift cards just like on other websites. After earning 1,000 survey points, you will have enough to purchase a $10 gift card. If you live in the United States, you may contribute your profits to a charity or use direct deposit. If you live in Canada, you may use your points to fly with Canada Airlines. To verify that you didn't merely skim through the questions, your replies will need to be approved by the client before you can earn your incentives. You can begin redeeming after your answers have been validated, your points have been awarded, and you have amassed 1,000 points. Number 5. INBOXDOLLARS. INBOXDOLLARS is an excellent Swagbucks alternative since you can do the same chores for cash. Since 2000, INBOXDOLLARS has handed out over $60 million in cash prizes to its subscribers for using free food and grocery coupons and reading emails. Future goods and services for their market research partners are among the responsibilities you assist with. While the activities may appear simple, they significantly impact the type of items that firms offer. Number 6. Opinion Outpost. Opinion Outpost is a website that will pay you for your thoughts and allow you to submit feedback to businesses. Furthermore, they provide other options to earn money, including surveys and various themes. Once you've accumulated several points, you may exchange them for gift cards to prominent business and restaurants. If you wish to exchange your points for cash, you can acquire a PayPal or Visa gift card. Another option to earn money with Opinion Outpost is to test items, watch advertisements, and participate in real-world missions in your community through their industry relationships. Different membership levels should be considered if you wish to optimize your revenue. Number 7. PANDA Research. PANDA Research has paid out over $2 million to participants for completing brief tasks since its inception. You may sign up for free and make money by conducting paid surveys, and as with other survey sites, you may make extra money by recommending others. There are several methods to earn money by reading emails. First, you can earn up to $25 every pay period, usually on the 1st and 15th of the month. Number 8. PRIZEREBEL. PRIZEREBEL has handed out approximately $22 million to members since 2007. Sign up for free to earn points for your input on market research surveys. You'll be asked to complete a questionnaire, which will match you with survey opportunities of interest to you. Incorrect responses may result in exclusion from future paid survey opportunities. After completing each paid survey, you can redeem your points for gift cards at over 500 different merchants, stores, and restaurants. In addition, other gift card alternatives are available, including Amazon, Best Buy, and PayPal. Number 9. Prolific. Prolific compensates the participants on an hourly basis. A survey typically costs $6.5 per hour. Prolific compensates its subscribers with cash via a number of payment methods. You may be invited to play games or complete generic surveys, for example. No experience is required if you are eager and able to give your thoughts about products, services, and other issues. Prolific is more of a market research organization, the sort of surveys conducted depending on the demands of the clients. You won't have to worry about surveys because your hourly income is assured. Number 10. YOUGOV. YOUGOV is a consumer research panel with consumers from all around the world. They display surveys, stories, statistics, and other information used by businesses, brands, media sources, and others. You'll be requested to survey the app. Lengthier surveys earn more points. Furthermore, new incentive possibilities are offered regularly, which you may redeem for various goodies. It's simple to get money using online rewards and survey sites that don't need much effort. You may join or download the app versions of several of the sites on our list if you want to make additional money on the fly. Have you found this video helpful? Tell us in the comments. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get more knowledgeable and fact-based videos.